At TransOrg Analytics, are you working on Gen AI projects for your clients?
So at TransOrg Analytics, Gen AI is an integral part of our solutions, different offerings which we have for our clients. Just to share some examples, one of the areas where we're focusing on is knowledge management. So how do we deliver business insights to our client teams on their fingertips by using conversational chatbots? So we are using large language models for that. And that's not just on the unstructured data, but also on clients' business data, transaction data, their business data. So we're working on all of those data sets to generate answers on a tip of a button. So for instance, if I want to know what is the trend of my sales in the last 6 months, I just need to ask a simple question and it will give me the answer. If I need to know that which of my campaigns were effective in the past 6 months, then it will list down the campaigns which gave them relevant and higher return on investment. So this is one example which is, I believe, is going to be very, very effective for the business teams and business leaders to make sound and quick business decisions. The second use case where we are working is on the whole voice to text and text to voice conversion. A lot of companies are working on it. So large language models are pretty effective, and again, not just in English, even in vernacular languages. So you can convert your call interactions into text, and then you can analyze that and generate insights on it. So during the call as well, you can effectively engage with your customers in terms of understanding what they're looking for, cross-sell them products. Also, I've seen some insurance companies, they're trying to predict fraud by looking at some of those recordings. So that's another use case. And then, of course, there are clients now that multimodal models are available. Marketing companies are using it for creatives. They're creating nice designs. As I had mentioned in my previous comment, people are using for digital twins in their product design. So those are some of the key use cases which we are working on. And hopefully, as we speak, more and more use cases are being added. But one thing I can say with confidence is that organizations have to use Gen AI in their bigger scheme of things to improve their business effectiveness. And another comment which I thought would be relevant to point out here is that organizations can only implement Gen AI, or analytics agencies who are working with these organizations can implement Gen AI if they have the business model. So you can't just say out of the blue that, oh, I'll now implement a Gen AI solution. You have to understand the client's business. You have to understand what are their challenges and opportunities. If you're building a model, then you can create a consumption layer using a Gen AI chatbot. So these are important aspects which one needs to consider.